online lesson where we learn how to take music and transform it into mental health solutions. Hi there, my name's Imanni. I write music for mental health awareness, and I am so glad to be talking to y'all today, cause I need this as much as y'all need this, which is splendid. So I'm so happy that I get to be doing this with y'all. So before we get started, gotta make sure that we're loose. Gotta make sure that we're feeling good, y'all, okay? So I want y'all to let out all your stresses, all your concerns, and move in that happy juice, move in that energy juice. Put in that creative energy, because you get to decide how you're feeling right now, and the body and the mind work together. So while we're shaking this out, we're also mentally shaking out all our stresses. Let's make sure that we have some good posture when we get into some piano. So make sure you have that awesome L shape going on. And last but not least, because it's not actually the last thing, let's make sure that our arms have a beautiful L shape going on. Let's shake out those hands. Nice. Let's do that and make sure our fingers are feeling nice and loose too. I need to do some extra hand shaking. There we go. Let's hold out our hands and let them drop with gravity. And move those fingers around. Feel nice and loose, and let's move our bodies into that natural piano form. Excellent, y'all. Y'all are looking beautiful. So now let's take a deep breath in and let it go. And while you let out all the tension in your body, and also let those shoulders relax too. Tensions many times held right here. Okay, now since our bodies are ready, let's get our minds ready too with a mental health quote. Here we go, y'all. This quote is from Fred Rogers. Anything that's human is mentionable, and anything that is mentionable can be more manageable. When we can talk about our feelings, they become less overwhelming, less upsetting, and less scary. Communications is key. It literally is the key. It opens the door to possibilities, y'all. So that's why in Imanni music, if you're struggling with something, if you're practicing something and you just can't get it, that's okay. That's totally human, totally natural, and part of the process. So that's why we have direct messaging with me. So you can send a direct message. You can take your phone and record yourself trying to play something so I could see what's going on, and hopefully I'll be able to help you out. And if I can help you out. Let's just say I can help you out, y'all. I got resources too. So I got you covered. Just direct message me and we'll see what we can do. Now, with this positive communications mindset, let me communicate with you a new lesson. And I hope that you learned something from today's music lesson on Imanni music. When we're talking about leaping, we're saying any interval that is further than a perfect fifth. Easy peasy, just like that. So for example, this is a skip. I mean, this is a leap. That is also a leap. This is also a leap. Why? Well, if we were to start at D and play at a D major scale, we can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a sixth of an interval. We're in D major, so it's going to be a major sixth. It is bigger than a perfect fifth, so we know that this is also a leap. We'll be talking in more detail about these distances in later lessons. But for now, all you need to know is that when we're playing the C major chord, the C major triad, that the distance between all these notes, if they were played melodically, is actually skipping. This is a third, and this is a third.